You are so cute. I love it. What's a children gonna be called? What about Frederick? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, I want to Frederick. Whoa! So if it was a girl. No, I don't like Isabella. I prefer Cinderella. Whoa! Guys!
Why are you killing your wife? Just because she's right.
Hello? Come to me. Come to me. Baby. Wake up. Mouth to mouth resuscitation. No!